Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular session, what I'll be showing you is that how do we manage different processes that we normally do from Task Manager, right? So how do we do that from like Windows PowerShell? Okay, not from command prompt, but from PowerShell. Okay, so you can do get process to see all the running processes in your system. So if you see over here, so different processes are running over here, right? So you can even, so if you have a look over there, so you have like CPU uses, the ID, process ID, and then the process name as well. Okay, these are the things that you will need to be more focused on. Okay, so next thing that we should do is that what I have to do is that I have to select a file name, totally not malicious. So if I want to select this particular file, what I should do is just get me the process. It's a bit slow. Come on, man. Get process, and then I should type in the name, which is basically totally not malicious. Now we have basically selected the process, right? So in order to end this, we could say like task kill and then end the process. So what I'll do is task kill, and then I can type in F, and then the PID number, process ID number, is basically nothing else but 209, not that, 64 thingy, right? 6460, 6460. Okay, the process ID with PID blah, blah, blah has been terminated. Good. Right. So let's just verify it again. So let's just run the previous command. So the upper one, the filtering one. So let's just try and filter it. So we got an error. That means we have successfully killed the command, right? So how we can also do, so you can also have a look through this one. So task, man, not task host, task kill. Yeah, I could just do slash question mark, right? So you could use different status over here. Okay, so you could just filter it via status, image name, everything else. Okay, so you can kill different PI, different processes at once. So F is like specifies to forcefully terminate the process. So basically, what that T/T does is that it kills the child processes which were started by it. So in Windows, what happens is that, so in Windows, normally what happens is that, so let's say I opened Notepad, right? So the PowerShell will be the parent, and then the notepad.exe will be the child. Okay, so when we kill the parent, the child will also die. Okay, so I mean, child won't die. In case of Windows, it won't die. Okay, in case of Linux, it dies. So basically, that's the difference between Linux and Windows. Okay, so we can basically kill the process. So if you kill the parent, the child will die. Okay, so it's very dependent on that. I mean, it won't die. Okay, in terms of Windows, but in Linux, what happens? It dies. Okay, that's the difference. But you can have a look through it. Right, so you can filter it out different ways, right? So since, let's move on now, then let's just clear it out. Okay, the clearing is done. So let's just terminate multiple processes. Okay, so let's just get the process first of all. Then let's just get the processes that we have running. Get process. All right. So these are the processes that are running. So the process that I want to kill is Razzle. Okay, Razzle. Okay. Anyways, so what I will do is get process, and then I have to filter it by name, and the name is asterisk Razzle. Let's see. Let's see where it is. Razzle dazzle, right? So we are just partially only matching it. Okay, so let's try doing that. Razzle dazzle, and then if we press enter, so this is using the asterisk just to match it, right? So just to match it with the name that contains Razzle. So if I do enter, okay, it did work. So this shows two processes. So you can, so we can basically use talk skill as well to kill the Razzle processes. So let's just do it again one more time. Task. Task skill. Talk skill, and then F, and then the PID number. Right. This is skill 6828 or Razzle Dazzle 5412. Okay, 5412 has been terminated. So let's do it again for the other one as well. Yeah, 6828. So let's just filter it out one more time using the same thing. So we did not see any output. That means it's not there, right? It's gone. Okay, so yeah, that's how we can basically kill different processes. I know it's like a bit thingy, but sometimes you might not have access to GUI based kind of thing, so you might have to do it from command line. So that's just, it just basically helps, and so yeah, you can do this kind of things from command line interface as well in Windows. So I hope you did learn something new today. So I hope this helps you out in your learning journey. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.